So this is something you can imagine, that God takes one of his servants. Krishna has millions of gopis and millions of servants. So Vaikuntha is full of Bhagavan, forms of Bhagavan and his servants, his devotees, his bhaktas. Bhakta means servant. His loving servants, his bhaktas. But Radharani's love is so supreme. So in one sense, this Avirbhav, this Jayanti of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is a celebration of the glories of love. And it's a celebration of the glories of Srimati Radharani. We have Radhastami. Maybe you've heard of Radhastami. This is the birthday, appearance day of Srimati Radharani in Raval or Varsana. But this day also is a celebration of the love of Radharani. This is also a day to glorify Radharani. Because Radharani's love was so great that she forced Bhagavan to take her form. She forced Bhagavan to take her love, to understand what is the love of my devotee, Radha, and what is the happiness that she experiences when she serves me. Did Ram ever become Sita? Did Narayan ever become Lakshmi? Never happened. And certainly Sita is a great devotee of Ram, the greatest. And Lakshmi is the greatest devotee of Vishnu or Narayan. But see the supremacy of Radharani. Sarva Shakti Mayi Radha. She's the Adya Shakti, Adi Shakti. All the other Shaktis expand from Radha. So see the depth of Radha's love. I was thinking, because we've observed this day 35 times in our life. This day, by fasting and hearing the glories of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from our spiritual master directly speaking, or from advanced God brothers, Guru Bhais. And then after some years, then we were speaking on this day. The student became teacher, although we're still students. So we were speaking on this day, sometimes in Mayapur, sometimes in different places. 10 devotees, 5 devotees, 3,000 devotees. On this very day I've addressed thousands of devotees. And I was thinking, okay, what is special about this day? What is special? Because God is unlimited. Everything to do with God is unlimited. His name is unlimited. His form is unlimited. His qualities, His dham, His devotion, His devotees are unlimited. Bhagavad Gita, read Bhagavad Gita today, cover to cover, and get some idea from it, get some insight, get some idea. Read it a month from now, and you'll say, oh, same book I'm reading, I'm getting new idea. And read it every day, and every day you'll get a new idea from the same book. Because it's transcendental. It's a lokik gyan, a lokik, spiritual knowledge, divya gyan. It goes on and on and on and on.